Hi guys, I'm Surita and welcome to part 2 of the Mizoram travel vlog. In part 1 you saw that I reached Tipreghat and met my grandparents. So my grandparents love to work. They feel very weird actually if they don't work. So that's why they have set up this small shop of chips and biscuits and snacks basically. So the next day was a Monday, which meant the weekly market day of Tipreghat. So we started packing all the stuff of the shop to sell it in the market. Bezi bongoy de ay. Di budi olak. যাব ngay দজনে So this was our small stall that we set up and we started selling our stuff. Bazar oye video guru ditum dogandari gun itu ada bazar hoy ayo to udor to thayu ei Tipreghat bazar Yen thoma doganan no
আমার মাল মাতানি সাংঘাতিক দোল বেজাইনি হয় লাভ হয় উন্নতি হয় বিড়ি আগে সিগারেট আগে বিস্কুট আগে হলম আগে হেল আগে হাইড্রোদর বহুত আগে
The next day we had to leave for Demagri again for some work. We had to wake up at literally 3 a.m. to catch the boat which was going to Demagri at 4 a.m. The journey was wonderful actually. It was very beautiful. We strolled around a little bit and in the market, and after our work was done we started looking for a ride back home since all the boats were already gone by the time we finished. So we were actually hoping that somebody might give a lift to us. Luckily I met one of my subscribers while we were waiting. Shout out to you if you're watching. He helped us find a ride back home and it was the most adventurous thing ever. We got into back of the truck and enjoyed the views of nature. As soon as we reached our village, we headed to the river to take a bath and I do not know how to swim, guys. After that, we visited my aunt's place to stay for the night and we had this premature jackfruit salad which is actually called hattolo muzi in my language. He got it there.
Atolo musi horbo he batte. Yamne so to hora batte.
Se aro.
Aso de bana bonge.
Te to magara di pai.
Không bắt pai, happy không pai.
Ano?
Ira pai.
Era pai. And after that, we left for Guwahati, stopping for a day at Kamlanagar, and that's how actually my trip ended. I know that it's not the best one, but definitely a special one. So I hope you guys liked my video, and make sure to give a big thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below and subscribe for more. This was a very short video, I know guys, but I hope you enjoyed it. So I'll see you next time. Bye.